Sup guys, let's do this. What is up you guys, Claudio back again, and this time we will play a game. This game is called Will You Press the Button? This is very similar to the Would You Rather game I did with Jenny a week back or so. And yeah, I'm gonna try it out, see if it's any fun. Let's do it! Oh. Have everything you say come true, but everything you say, even in casual conversation, even when you're alone, will come true. Man, that's difficult. I guess you become a very quiet person. You just don't speak to people or answer them yes or no questions, stuff like that. I don't know. Man, have everything you say come true. No, that's I will not. What? 62% pressed the button. They pressed it. Well, 38% did not. What the hell? How do you go on living? You can't do that. It's super fucking weird. You be quiet all the time. You can't speak up loud because you fucking... Nah, come on. All right. Let's see the next one. You can wish for any game you want, and only you... What? Half-Life 3, okay. But each game you wish for gets progressively worse than the last, thus ruining your favorite. Okay. Well, for me it's super easy. I don't play computer games, so I am... Sure, I press the button. You see, only 29% have pressed it. Oh my god, and 71% did not. So alright, that's good. Next one here says you will stay healthy no matter what you eat, but you can't read? Really? You will stay healthy no matter what you eat, but you can't read. What? No, come on. No. Fucking 29% pressed the button. Anyway. Well, 71 did not. Interesting. It says a lot about people, this. Good. Moving on. The season you've been waiting for months of your favorite show just premiered overseas. But everyone forgot to tag their Oh man. Okay. But how is this like even a... The season you've been waiting for months of your favorite show just premiered overseas, but everyone forgot to tag... No. I fucking hate spoilers. It's like the worst ever. That's why I don't hang out on Facebook all that much, because a lot of the people I have on Facebook they don't really give a shit. Oh, I saw the latest Game of Thrones, blah blah blah. I know a lot of people are just, trolling and being funny, but I have a few friends on Facebook that are totally fucking retards. So yeah. Anyway, moving on. You will be able to make anyone perform sexual favors for you, but you can never have an orgasm. What? Then what's the fucking point? That's the point, isn't it? You will be able to make anyone perform sexual favors for you, but you can never No, I will not. Fucking ridiculous. Still, 32% of the people press the button. That's weird. Huh. Anyway, next one. You get to be the person you always wanted to be with your dream job and partner, but your whole family refuses to speak to you for the rest of your life? What? Oh man. No, that's... You get to be the person you always wanted to be. That's a non-issue. That's easy. Just be the person you want to be. That's, so that's not even a problem. Dream job and partner. Dream job. I mean, what? I guess it depends on what your dream job is. I consider myself lucky. I have my dream job. I'm super happy. Partner, super easy. No, I will not. 52 versus 48. That's pretty... Well, alright. Next one. You get to live in the world of Harry Potter, but you die... No! You die after 3 days? Really? How the... What? No, I will not. I will not. That's fucking ridiculous. Come on. No. Okay. Next one. You can solve any one of the world's problem, but you cease to exist to everybody. Nobody remembers that you even existed. But you can solve any one of the world's problem. I don't mind. Let's press the button. Huh, 47 to 53%. Interesting. Let's get another one. You can switch genders whenever you want. What? But when you turn into a guy, you have an itchy beard. And when you turn into a girl, you're on your period. Okay? Well, I have it's not itchy though, so I don't, I wouldn't want that. Yeah, I will not. Plus, whenever you turn into a girl, you're on your period. Doesn't sound like a lot of fun to me. I will not. Still, 37% press the button. That's fucking weird to me. Let's do another one. You can fly. It's a good one. But you lose control of your poop and it just slides out randomly. What the fuck? That is so weird. You can fly, but you lose control over your... Do I lose control only while flying? Or do I lose control like... Man, no, you can fly. That would be so fucking awesome. To be able to fly, that's a dream of mine for sure. Imagine to be able to fly. How cool is that? You can fly, but you lose control of... that would be fucking... no, will not. Still, 36% went for it. That's cool. Let's get another one, the last one, alright? Let's get it. You will become the world's most famous singer, but you can only listen to music. Well, you can only listen to your own music. That's like Kanye, isn't it? This is like just like Kanye West, basically. Oh my god. You will become the world's most famous singer. I wouldn't want to be the world's most famous singer, so no, I will not. 40% pressed the button, while 60% did not. Interesting.
Thoughts?
This was pretty cool. It was funny. I like the Would You Rather. I like that game a little bit better. So I think I'm gonna stick to that one for now. I may do one or two of these in the future, because they are funny, to be honest. Let me know if you play these games every now and then. This is my first time trying this game, and it's okay. I think it was alright. It was pretty funny. As I said, let me know in the comment section. Have you ever played it? Will you play it? Do you think it's stupid? Is it not stupid? What do you think? Let me know. Alright? Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.